Hey guys, and welcome to Tim's Tech Corner. I'm Tim, and today we're gonna set up network-wide ad and telemetry blocking. Let's get into it. And how are we gonna do that? We're gonna use our existing casaos install that we did last time. You can watch the video. And we're gonna install Pi-hole. Pi-hole will function as a DNS server in our network and will just block telemetry and ads. To install Pi-hole, you just need to go on your casaos dashboard. So enter the IP of your server and there you are. So it's really easy today. We're not gonna go into the terminal once. So just open the App Store, search for Pi-hole. There it is. Click on install, and then it's gonna install itself. And it's done. But it didn't just magically set up itself. We still have to do that. But it's gonna be easy. So first you will not just open it. You will go on the three dots and go to settings. There we will scroll down and you see here web password is your password. We're gonna insert a really super secure password like password. Please don't do that. Please take a real password for there. Now it's just gonna update it so that it's the right password on the web UI. But that's gonna be pretty fast. And it's done. So we can just open it and put our super secure password in. And then you can remember me for 7 days, or you can't, it's your choice. And there we are. This is everything that we're gonna work with today. So 127,000 domains are on the ad list. And what does the ad list mean? Every domain that's on an ad list, it's just gonna be blocked. So let's say, for example, a website pulls its ads from like ads.test.com. And ads.test.com is on an ad list. So the server will just say no, because we're gonna set the DNS server as this here. So your PC is gonna try to say, hey, who is ads.test.com? I want to pull something from there. And Pi-hole, our server, is just gonna say, no, you don't get that. So the ads won't load in. But unfortunately, it's not for everything. There are still a lot of ads that you're gonna see, but a lot of them are also gonna be away. The same goes with telemetry. It's not everything, but a lot will be banned. So we already have 127,000 domains on our ad list, but that's nowhere near what telemetry and ads and such things have. So you can add more, and you will do that under ad lists, and you can just paste in a new URL and a description. So I actually have a link to that in the description. There is a site, easylist.to, and there are a lot of lists. So you can add a lot, but beware, more is not always better. Because the more you do in there, the chances of it being a false report, so it's on the list but it didn't have to be in the list, gets of course bigger. So just don't do too much, because then you can't use your browser. But it should be fine with all of these. So we're gonna just take the view easy list, copy link, go back to here, into with the URL and test and add. Now we successfully added an ad list, but if we go to the dashboard, it's still 127,000. So we need to go to Tools and update Gravity, and then update. So it will pull all of the lists down, and if you go here, we have 155,000. So my personal has about 250,000, but it's of course fully personal what you do on there and how much you put on there. But how do we do actually that it works? Because 0 queries, 0 blocked. How do we do that? So you'll have to say the devices that they should use our server. You can either do that via settings on your PC or over your router. I have a Fritzbox and I'm here. For me it's pretty easy to get it going. I just go to the IPv4 settings and then local DNS server and just put my server in there. So that's not actually this server right here, because that is my server that I use outside of these videos. So just put it here. I don't know it for every router. Just Google it how to put it in to use a local DNS. So does it actually work? And I say yes, it works really cool. So today we had 59,000 queries, and from this 60,000 almost 5,000 were just blocked. And I can tell you, our internet works fine. So 9.3% of traffic of domains that our devices want to use are blocked, and it doesn't really affect us. It doesn't affect us at all. So we can go down here and we see a lot of telemetry. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you setting up Pi-hole. If you have favorite ad lists or something that I should have talked about, or I should talk about in a different video, like app in casaos or anything, just write a comment and I will see what I can do. Have a great day.